get done, buddy?
So got the long tubes, American Eagle.
This thing's like loud.
Oh, that's loud, man. What? Dude, that's a bit much, bro. Oh, was it, you put long tubes?
Long tubes with catless mids.
What long tubes in?
BBKs.
BBKs?
Yeah.
With CATLESS, eh? But you have cats, right?
Oh yeah, no,
yeah, you got cats.
They're high flow cats.
High flow cats?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Inline. You can't really see them. Downtown, I was like, trying to chill.
What the heck?
Stupid dog.
That's crazy. Good purchase? You're satisfied with your purchase?
Yeah.
That's what I want. He says it's too loud.
Woo! That's aggressive.
Holding the accelerator. Okay, now you're first gear. Now go punch it.
Very good range, right?
You will top out at 250.
That is pretty good. Not bad.
See how nice it accelerates? Like right now with headers and this should probably dyno around like just 390 to the wheel. Because stock one's dyno at 360.
Right.
I know because I used to own one, right?
Yeah.
So anybody that claims any higher numbers from long tubes is like, it's not going to happen.
Yeah.
But, you know, for example, a guy with the same setup, because you have the 391 rear end, you'll take off quicker.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. At the lights, take a right. It's so loud.
You get it at this certain RPM and it fucking really kicks in. I'm hoping that when I insulate the pipes from the frame that it will hold that.
Oh yeah. No, it's good. And that's not even dyno tuned, eh?
No.
With your headers.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, you'll get it. Jeez. Sounds phenomenal. It's freaking loud. Shit, dude. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Dude, it's so loud, man.
It's loud, eh?